Marin, in a previous module, we went into an Excel spreadsheet and copied some data and then pasted it into a table that we had created in PowerPoint. In this module, I want to talk about how we can import an object from another Microsoft application. And in this case, we're going to import a table from Excel.
Okay.
Click over to the Insert tab. Over in the text group, we have different options there. See the one that's a blue line on the top and just white below it? It says Object. Click on that.
Okay, we're going to insert an object.
We are. We can create a new object, but we're not going to do it for this exercise. We're actually going to create from a file, so choose that option. And we're going to browse for a file. Before you hit OK, next to the Browse button, you see that link? Put a check in that box. What this does is it links the data that we're putting into the PowerPoint with the original source document. Changes that get made to that original source document can be then updated in our PowerPoint slide.
Okay, so when I open up the PowerPoint, any changes I had made on the other source, like the Excel spreadsheet, would show up here in my PowerPoint?
Correct.
Okay.
Now, if we left that link unchecked, then what would happen is it would take a snapshot in time of the Excel spreadsheet or whatever the document is, and it would put it into our file, but it wouldn't have the link, so any changes wouldn't be updated.
Okay. That's more like a picture or a photograph of it, really.
Precisely.
Okay.
Go ahead and do OK now.
Okay. So that was the table that was in our Excel spreadsheet, and now it's showing up here.
Right. Go ahead and reposition that. You see you've got the lines, the 4 corner arrows, so you can reposition it. That seems kind of small, so click on the Drawing Tools Format tab. Over in the Size group, I'm going to have you resize this table.
Can't I just drag it from a corner here?
You could do that, but I want a more precise measurement.
Okay.
So we'll do it in the Size group. So let's change that to 4.2. And hit Enter.
Okay.
And that's a little bigger. Now we can reposition it again. Try clicking in there and changing one of the values.
Oh! Okay, I clicked once, nothing happened, and I kept clicking. And here I have my Excel spreadsheet.
Right, it takes you to the source document.
Oh.
So you would have to make any changes in the source document. You couldn't make it directly in PowerPoint.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and close out this Excel spreadsheet and go back to the PowerPoint. Click away from the table. So you see on the bottom row there how it seems we have an extra row that we really don't need. Mm-hmm. When it's imported as an object like this, you can't really make a change to that. Click the table again, and it's inserted as an object. And the formatting came from the original Excel spreadsheet. So we can't change the color. Like, see where it says Shape Fill up in the Shape Styles? If you hover over that pink, see, it just changed that one row that hadn't already been formatted. But the other cells retained the formatting that it came over with.
Okay.
Just like the Shape Styles, the presets there to the left, they're all grayed out. You can't use any of those.
Okay.
So that is one limitation if you're going to import it from an Excel spreadsheet or another Microsoft application.
Okay.
There we have it. We have inserted an object, so we can either do it by linking it or embedding that object from another application.